Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today I am again present with another video which is about characterizations of vertebrates and invertebrates as cold-blooded and warm-blooded animals. So without wasting our time, let's proceed towards our video and let us know what is the meaning of the terms cold-blooded and warm-blooded. Here, pictures of following animals are given, so you need to identify among those that either they are warm-blooded or cold-blooded. Like elephant is a warm-blooded animal or cold-blooded. House lizard is cold-blooded or warm-blooded. Turtles are cold-blooded or warm-blooded. Fish is cold or warm-blooded. Polar bear warm-blooded or cold-blooded. So we will discuss about those later in the video. So now come towards the term warm-blooded animals. What do you know about the term warm-blooded? Warm-blooded not really means that the blood temperature is warmer. It just simply means that the animals who can generate their internal body heat, or you can simply say the animals who can maintain their internal body temperature to 37 degrees Celsius, which is the body temperature for most of the mammals. No matter what is the temperature outside the environment is, no matter either there are summers or there are winters, either the temperature is hotter or the temperature is colder, they will always maintain their body temperature to 37 degrees Celsius. For example, if the temperature outside is 45 degrees Celsius, so their body temperature will be 37. The body temperature will not change with the change in the temperature of their environment. They will maintain their constant body temperature. All the birds and mammals are the examples of warm-blooded animals. They maintain their body temperature to the constant levels of 37 degrees Celsius for mammals, while the constant body temperature for birds are 39 to 43 degrees Celsius. Mammals maintain their internal body heat by their metabolism, like by burning the food, by burning the glucose into water, carbon dioxide, and a lot amount of energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, which maintains their internal body heat, while body temperature may change as a result of a less or more exposure to sunlight, fluctuation in the levels of their hormones in their body. In the same way, as a result of any disease, their body temperature can fluctuate, but they will maintain their constant body temperature to 37 degrees Celsius in normal cases. अब हम कुछ अडेप्टैशंस को देखेंगे जो कि वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल्स को अपना नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर फर्दर मेंटेन रखने में हेल्प आउट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, the warm-blooded animals perspire, like they evaporate their excess body water in the form of sweating in order to cool down their bodies when the level of heat in their bodies increases. In the same way, birds whose body temperature are higher than the normal mammals, so they increase their breathing rate in order to maintain their internal metabolism, in order to maintain the levels of heat in their bodies. While in the winters, when the temperature is colder, the brain sends message to the muscles of the body in order to start shiver, so that the shivering will produce little amount of heat and make the body warmer. And there are a few more adaptations which we will discuss in our coming videos, inshallah, in detail. What are cold-blooded animals? So the answer is very simple, that the animals who cannot maintain their internal body temperature to the constant levels, or their whose body temperature can fluctuate with the change in the temperature of their surrounding. Like they are not having any mechanism to generate their own body heat. That's why they rely on their external temperature in order to get or lose heat. They get their body temperature from their external surrounding, and they also lose their body temperature in the outside surrounding. So the animals who cannot maintain their body temperature to constant levels are considered as cold-blooded animals. For example, if the temperature outside is 45 degrees Celsius, so their body temperature will almost be 45. If the temperature outside is 2 degrees Celsius, their body temperature will almost be 2. Okay, fish, amphibians, reptiles, and all other invertebrates are the cold-blooded animals, and here are some adaptations which help the cold-blooded animals to prevent themselves from too much warmer and colder temperatures. For example, fish used to stay at the bottom of the water during too much warmer and colder temperatures in order to prevent their body temperature from freezing during winters and Some animals used to migrate from one place to another place depending upon the temperature of their surrounding. For example, if there is so much colder temperature outside, so they used to migrate towards the warmer areas. And if there is a warm temperature outside, then they used to migrate towards the colder regions in order to protect themselves from too much warm and cold temperatures. In the same way, some alligators, crocodiles, and some other reptiles used to bask in the sunlight in order to get heat from the sun to get warmth feeling. In the same way, some animals during winters used to hide themselves in the shady areas, inside the rocks, under the rocks, and in the holes in the ground, etc., in order to protect themselves from the warmer rays of the sun during summers. We will separately discuss about warm-blooded animals and cold-blooded animals in further coming videos in order to provide some more details about them. And thank you so much for watching my video, and kindly like, share and subscribe. I really need your help, so kindly subscribe. Thank you so much for today.